Hey, American River, 4th of July weekend. Woohoo! We're in the American River in Sacramento, California.
Bella, hot dog. Come on.
Third, third,
Hot dog.
third.
Blue, hot dog.
Inch.
Who wants a hot dog? Uncle Nick. Get him, Ange. Get him in the water.
Oh yeah.
Nico, this way. Come on. Third. Use your thigh. There you go. Here you go, son. No black. There's no black. What do you want?
Dino,
Nico, lose your drink.
it's in that cup, but it's gone. See that cup? No, not that one. That one over there.
Come on, you can hold it.
I have brownie bites.
So he's eating it.
No, that's like that makes it better.
No black. No black.
Man, 4th of July weekend. Ha! Thanks for the drink. Thank you, sir. Oh, thank you. Wait a minute. I'm still videotaping.
Hey, videotape this. Hey, you know who likes hot dogs? It's third.
Third.
But his favorite is chorizo. He likes sausage.
I don't know.
Whole bologna.
I don't know. I seen him with a woman, so I'm sure.
Kielbasa.
Oh, this way.
Kielbasa.
It's hot. He's been known to roll around some Chinese sausage. Right here, son.
We're having hot dogs.
Hey, I forgot we got ketchup.
It don't matter.